Flipping houses is like playing Monopoly on steroids, except with real money. And guess what? You can flip off your neighbors too. I'm just kidding, but check it out. We got this nice, cute little shotgun house right in downtown Columbia, South Carolina. Now, I picked this house up from my roofer who purchased it initially to flip it. They got halfway through the demolition project and he realized that he just had too much going on in his roofing business. So he hit me up, said, "Hey Ben, got this house downtown Columbia. You're the first person that I thought of." So I ran over, checked it out, and we had a contract that same day. Now, when we first came in this thing, the entire inside was down to studs. It was gutted open, and we had an open concept to work with. Most local real estate investors in the area are probably not willing to take on a full renovation project, at least in this current market. But our team is turning these houses so quick and efficiently that, to be honest, there's really not a project that's too big for us to take on at the moment. So what we did in here is I opened up the kitchen, right? We had a small little walkway on this side, but to give us a little bit more of an open concept feel in this small 1,100 square foot house, we opened up the kitchen here, put a supporting LVL beam to make sure that we're structurally sound. And in here, we'll obviously run the cabinets across the back. We got a space for the refrigerator on that side. And we'll probably put a little island right here in the middle that we can overlook the living area and also get us some nice little seating for a small family. Now, as we round the corner here, this used to be an extension of the kitchen. And my guess is they had it set up as an eat-in kitchen on this side, formal kitchen there. But my goal was to convert this from a 2-bed to a 3-bedroom house, because by adding a bedroom, it helps increase the comparables and we can get a higher list price. So we framed in a wall on that side. We went ahead and added a header and a door here. Gives us a 3rd bedroom with a closet and a window. And we got a bedroom on each side, one to the right, one to the left, single bathroom. Now, anytime that I can add an additional bathroom, I usually will. We just don't have the space in this house. So when we bring this to market, we'll be doing a 3-bed, 1-bathroom house. But again, for a nice, completely remodeled house in the middle of Columbia, you can't find anything better for the price. And bathroom, you can see we don't have a ton of space to work with. So we've got the little walkway here. Toilet will be in the corner. And we'll have a little vanity sink right here. Right, so our goal is to maximize the space that we have to the best that we can. And you've got a nice little stand-in shower that we'll make sure is tiled up and looking real nice and clean. Now, the goal for these entry-level houses, you guys have probably heard me say this before, but we want to keep our renovation budget as low as possible. We're not going to cut corners. We're not going to recycle old parts. But we're going to find an entry-level type of product with our light fixtures, our ceiling fans. The vanities, I'll usually do a step up from the bottom grade project source. So we'll just do a step up from that. But just giving it a nice feel with new paint, a nice wood-looking LVP throughout. And it's perfectly situated and ready to move a new family in when we bring this to market. Now, if you want to get in the game and learn the process on how we find the best real estate deals in any market across the United States, you want to see the process of how we acquire them, contract them, raise private capital, where we're not using any of our own money to buy these assets, flip them, bring them to market, and make quick profits. Check out the links in the description. We've got a lot of valuable resources for you to get plugged in so you can get on your journey to building a massively successful real estate business. See you on the other side.